For decades, the public has assumed the greatest mystery of the Giza Plateau was heavy lifting. We see 2.3 million stone blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons, and question how ancient people moved them without modern machines. Archaeology has provided a practical answer. Evidence points to a workforce of 20,000 skilled laborers who dragged these massive stones on sledges over wet sand, a technique that reduces physical friction by half. Mapping the Giza Plateau reveals a massive dried section of the Nile, the Aramat branch, that once flowed alongside the site, allowing boats to carry stones from distant quarries directly to the plateau. With the mechanics of the transport explained, the investigation has changed. The focus has moved from the engineering of the exterior to the voids hidden within the stone itself. Researchers are now applying deep space alignments and particle physics to the structure, revealing a machine designed with a level of precision that challenges our assumptions about ancient intelligence. This top-down view of the base demonstrates the builder's accuracy. Without modern tools, they align the structure to true north with a margin of error of only 3/60ths of a degree. This was achieved through astrometry, using the movement of the stars, specifically the North Star, to lock the structure onto a perfect geographical axis. The dimensions of the architecture itself contain advanced constants. The perimeter of the base divided by twice its height yields 3.14159, the mathematical constant pi. The plateau's layout appears to follow a specific plan. In 1994, researchers noted the positioning of the three main pyramids was far from random. This mapping shows that the footprints, relative sizes, and even the brightness of these three pyramids correspond to the three stars of Orion's belt. The Egyptians viewed Orion as the celestial form of Osiris, the god of the afterlife. The pyramids were likely designed as a terrestrial map, built to guide the pharaoh's soul to a specific location in the heavens. If the structure is a map to a specific soul, its owner is missing. When explorers first entered the central chamber, they found Pharaoh Khufu's granite sarcophagus was completely empty. To locate potential hidden chambers, the Scan Pyramids project used muon tomography. This process captures cosmic ray particles that rain from space and pass through solid stone, creating a map of internal voids without the need for drilling. This cross-section shows the first major result, a hidden 9-meter-long corridor located directly behind the original entrance. Higher up, positioned over the Grand Gallery, is the Big Void. It is an unexplored cavity roughly 30 meters long, the size of a commercial aircraft. These spaces are currently unreachable. They are sealed behind millions of tons of limestone, far removed from the narrow, oppressive tunnels we can access today. The data suggests that Khufu's true resting place, along with its original contents, could still be sealed within these unexplored voids. The Big Void and its connecting corridors remain closed. Their contents and their exact purpose are still unknown to modern science. The Great Pyramid is more than a tomb. It's a massive piece of spiritual and scientific engineering, surviving over 4,000 years. The planning and organization required to build it prove that ancient people possessed an intellectual capacity that matches our own. There is a historical irony that we had to develop space-age scanning technology just to identify the rooms we have yet to find. The pyramid's endurance stems from the capability of the united human mind, a force that coordinated thousands of people to build a monument that has successfully outlasted time itself.